Video. I am going to explain you about this queries that is used for making the CSV file of a particular report. So let's start. So here I use the select query on table order header on this column, that is our FD reference order number, on this field, as uses this as keyword. And same thing I use here, that is table order header, and that is used here on FD order date, which is our column of table order header table on this field, that is our repro order date. And same thing is here, table order header on this column on this field. So this is our alias, this is our column name, and this is our field name. So all these select operation I have used here, and this is our alias, which is used to give a simple or shorter name to an column. And so here this is our uh, TV invoice TV invoice detail on our FD IGST amount on this field. And here I have used, and after this select operation I have used select this. I have selected all this from these table order header, that I have give a simpler name through alias, that is TOH. And here I perform the inner join on table order detail, which I give this name, uh, that I have described this name through an alias, that is TBOD, on that is used to uh, combine two tables of different name. This is our on clause, and this is our table order header on this column, is equals to tb order tb order detail on this FD associated ID column. And here I again perform the inner join on tb item master, and here this is the alias of this. And here I use the on clause. It is used to perform it is used to combine the two tables with different name, and oh sorry, two columns with different name. And here I have used this tb item master dot this column is equals to tb order details dot this column. And here I again perform the inner join, and this is our tb partner, and here this is our tvp, that is alias of tb partner. And here I use this on clause on tb partner on this column is equals to this column, that is our FD associated partner. And Now again I have I have performed here left join on TB order address. From left join I have from left join I will get uh, all the columns of one table, and from another tables I will get only those columns that are matching from my first table, from my first table, from the table number second. And here TB order address, and here I make this alias OD on table order header, and on this column FD shipping address ID is equals to the OD dot order details dot FD address ID. These are equal, and here I again perform the left join on TB order address. This alias F, FL I have created here. You can give any name to this alias, and in this I have used on close as I performed in above line, and again I performed here left join with this on clause, and again same thing is here, and here where I perform the left join for these these field names, for these field names I have performed here left join, and so here I concat these two columns name as this field name, and here I have created a TB code lookup table, and here this is our alias, and using the on clause here, and TB item master on this FD paper type is equals to the pt dot FD key code that I have defined here, FD key, and this which I have and I have used and clause or and operator here to get the same output from this. We use and operator if we want to get same if we get same condition from the both tables, that is our FD key code and FD lookup code, then this operation will perform and we will get the common output, or we will get the common value from these two tables, that is paper type reference. And here I again perform the same operation as defined above in all these three queries, and here I use the where clause to define the condition. This is table order header dot fd ship by date is, here I use the greater than equal to operator, and here I use the date time, and I will and I am using these two, and I am using this and and operator, logical operator, and here I have used this table order header dot fd ship by date less than equal to this date time, and here you can define any date time as as I have defined here 4 February 2021, that is the date I have taken, and I have take here 0 column 0 0 0 colon 0 0 colon 0 0, that is used to define the time. So I will get the same column from these two tables, because I will get only the same column from these two tables as I have defined and here by using this where clause. So now I am going to run this query. So these are the outputs, and this is our rep order number that I have defined in this, that I have defined here, and order, rep order date, ship date that I have defined here, invoice ID, invoice date, customer name, ISBN, order quantity, and I will MRP, book size, SGST, CGST, IGST, and book size, paper count, GSM, paper type, lamination, binding type, segment, fulfillment location, partner, AWB number, and weight in kgs. So thank you.